Hi everyone, it's Izzy here, and sorry for the echo in the background because I'm in one of my units that came empty, and I'm putting on a fresh coat of paint throughout, and doing the regular maintenance upkeep. Anyways, I'm doing this video for really for a lot of people because I've had situations where people call up, call me and tell me that there's no water pressure in the faucets, okay? So, of course, the first thing they do is they go up underneath the sink and they check, the valves. And some people will go as far as disconnecting the hose to see if there's water coming out. And, they see the pressure and then they can't figure out why the water's not coming out. For example, okay, I'm here in this bathroom, and as you can see, regular faucet. I'm going to turn it on, okay, and you can see that the water is just barely coming out. It just almost trickles out. And I've had them where they literally almost come out in a drip. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to repair this problem. The very simple fix. Okay, what happens is and let me show you. Okay, right here, I don't know if you can see this. Okay, but right here there's a strainer. Okay, there's a strainer. You get a pair of pliers. You see, get a pair of pliers like this. You come, you grab it over here, and you turn it to the left, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, so you turn it, you start turning it like this here, okay, and you're going to take it out, okay, and lo and behold, look, see, the screen gets filled up with all kinds of settlement from the pipes, okay. So what you got to do here is, what I do is I take the strainer out. Honestly, I just take it out. But some people, they just go out and buy a new one, or you can clean it out, whatever works for you. But I take them out. Anyways, and then now I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn on the water so you can see. You see all the stuff that came out of there? I don't know if you saw that, but it shot out of there. All the settlement that gets stuck inside the thing. But there's a lot of pressure. Look, you can see how much pressure there is in there. You see? And we'll do the other side so you can see. Okay, you see how all the garbage comes out of there? Okay, lots of pressure. Anyways, I'm gonna go set the phone down, clean my screen up, and I'll be right back. Okay, hold on there, all right? Okay, here I'm back. Okay, I just took all the all the garbage that was on the screen. I decided to leave the screen in. Okay, now all you do is you take the piece, you put it back inside here, and then you screw it in. Okay. Like this with your hand, and then over here just grab it and just you tighten it up just a little bit. As soon as it stops, that's it. You don't have to force it, you don't have to do anything crazy. Just turn it just right there. It just stops right there, and that's it. Okay, now I'm going to turn the water on. You're going to see the pressure that comes out of there now? Voila. So there you have it. Simple fix to do on a Sunday afternoon. Real easy, save a bunch of money. If you call a plumber, plumber will charge you, who the hell knows what he would charge you. I mean, for all we know, if you have a crooked plumber, he'll sell you the whole faucet and everything. But anyways, if you have an honest plumber, $50, $55, $60, something like that. Okay, anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this quick video, tutorial, whatever you want to call it. If you have any comments or concerns, make sure to leave them down below. Anyways, have a great weekend. Izzy out.